Father's Day is coming up, and let's be honest, dad deserves more than just another tie or another world's best dad mug. So here are 10 sneakers that you can choose or buy all that will make him feel like the world's best dad. So let's start with our honorable mentions here. This doesn't count towards the final count of the 10. So let's just get into it. The Nike Monarchs, the New Balance 608 V5, and the Adistar Control 5. So these three are the typical dad shoes. If your dad doesn't have this yet, buy it because he's not a dad until he has a shoe like this. Especially the Monarchs or the New Balance. The Adistar Control 5 is actually one of the more recent dad shoes. Well, it's not recent, but it is kind of in trend right now. There's a lot of colorways of this, so you can choose, pick the color that he likes the most, and you'll be good for that. So the prices range from about $75 for the lower end, and then around $130. So it's around the budget area still. Okay, so let's move on to our 10. Number 1, you saw it in the thumbnail, the world's best dad Jordan 3. So this is actually Jordan Brand's Father's Day edition this year. It's a heritage Jordan sneaker, a numbered Jordan sneaker with sentimental value storytelling with the shoe. This is perfect for dads who love those sneakers with meaning. So this is based from the Game 6 championship game that Michael Jordan played on Father's Day and won without his father, sadly. This has deeper meaning and deeper storytelling. So if your dad is into that, this is the perfect shoe for him. Plus, you get this trophy right here, which is pretty amazing. World's best dad trophy. It is a standee, and it says on the other side, and I quote, "Thank you for making me believe I can fly." So that's an amazing piece. This is not a budget-friendly sneaker. This is around the $210 SRP. You can get it for cheaper than that with retail discounts, but it's still a brand new sneaker, so it's not gonna go on sale anytime soon. Next up, we have the New Balance 990. This is a staple. Anything from the V1s to the V6. V3 and V4 are more dad-friendly, to be honest with you. The V3 to the V5 are the classic pairs that you should tend to gravitate towards. The 990 is a staple silhouette for the New Balance brand. So this is actually a nice pickup for your dad as well. Plus, it's super comfortable. Next up, if your dad is a baller, get him a Kobe 6. Any Kobe 6 will be fine unless he has specifics, or even any Kobe shoe will be fine, but the Kobe 6 are hype right now. And the Kobe 6, once your dad wears this to a basketball rec game or to a basketball run, he's gonna be the star of the show. So buy him the Kobe 6. He will be super happy, I swear. Not only does it look good, it plays good, and it feels good as well on the court. And it makes you look good too. Price ranges will fluctuate, especially if you buy him the rarer colorways. So just pick one that suits your dad. There are a ton of Kobe 6 colorways now, so yeah. The A6 Gel Kayano 14 or the A6 1130. So any of these shoes right here are one of the most comfortable sneakers out right now. Plus, it is stylish. It is a step up from the Nike Monarchs and the New Balances that I mentioned a while ago. A6 is a big thing right now, and I swear to you, this is a super comfortable sneaker. The price for this isn't that bad too. It won't break your bank. And I mean, it's Father's Day, guys. Spend a little bit for your fathers. The Adidas Evo SL. So this is the ultra boost of our generation right now. Not my generation anymore. I was the Ultra Boost generation. So the Evo SL is the new hype thing, especially here in the Philippines. A lot of people are wearing the Evo SLs. You can also pick the Boston running shoe, but I'd still go for the Evo SL because this is a safer pick. You can use this for casual wear. You can use this for running. So your dad will definitely love this. It is a comfortable sneaker, and it's a stylish one at that. Plus, it is kind of in the hype side right now. So yeah, this is around 130 to 100 bucks. Or if you want to buy your dad some used shoes, go on to eBay. There's a lot of used shoes right there, the Evo SLs, for a good price. Next up, let's go a bit classic here, the Adidas Superstar, specifically the 82 or the 70s. This will make him feel like a kid again, especially the dads who grew up in the 80s and 90s. This is a nice pair. Adidas always has good quality. Might not be as good as the vintage shoes, but it is very close. Plus the 70s look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Or the 80s too, if you want a more classic, well-known silhouette. To be honest with you, if you made me choose here, I don't know because I love them both and I want to own them both. Next up, I think the most comfortable sneaker in this list the Nike Vomero 5, or the budget alternative, which is the P6000. Either or is a nice shoe to buy your dad. This will make him feel good walking out, walking your dog, walking out with you to the mall to buy you stuff. I mean, that's a fair trade, right? Buy him a shoe and then he might buy you something when you go out. So yeah, moving on to another comfortable shoe, we got the On Cloud Tilt or the On Cloud 6. It depends on what your dad's style is. They're both a good sneaker, and On, again, is still kind of in right now. And not as much as it used to be, but still, the On Cloud is still a comfortable sneaker. And it doesn't cost that much. I mean, for a gift at least. Next up, we got the Jordan 11s, or any Jordans actually that he would want. You think he would want? If he keeps on mentioning MJ, Jordan, the Chicago Bulls, the 90s, buy him a Jordan 11 if he doesn't have one already. Or you can buy a Jordan 6, you can buy a Jordan 12, a 3, a 4, any Jordans, especially the numbered one, he would definitely be happy with that. Lastly, buy him his dream shoe. If you can afford it, if you know what it is, buying your dad his dream shoe might just make your day more than it makes his day, or maybe equal. The last Father's Day that I got to spend with my dad, I bought him, my first time buying him a real gift, was a dream shoe that he never obtained and he wanted since he was a kid. It made him cry, and to be honest with you, that made my life complete. Because unfortunately, sadly, the following year, I lost my dad. That was my last Father's Day with him. And I get to hold on to that memory forever. And you never know. That's why you should hug your dad tight, buy him his sneaker. And that is it. I don't know what to say anymore. This kind of became dark, but... Okay, anyway. So yeah, those are my 10 sneakers. To be honest, it's not just 10. I gave you a lot of choices right here. So if you want to buy, I don't have any affiliate links yet. I'm not monetized like that yet. I just really wanted to make this video because this is a special topic for me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Father's Day. Just make your dad happy. Don't buy him that world's best dad. Or maybe buy him that and the sneaker. So once you buy that sneaker gift for your dad, I have a video right here that will help you and your dad keep your sneakers safe, clean, and prolong its life. Happy Father's Day, everyone, and let me know and let the others know if you have other sneaker suggestions. Write them down in the comment section below. This has been Matt Quismorio, your average sneakerhead. Peace. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe.